fans, I'm going to show you how to use the KumiKreator. This is the bracelet we're going to be doing, and this is the KumiKreator that we have to make it with. These are the string that we have to make the bracelet with. These are the capsules that we have to clip the bracelet together with. These go through capsules, I don't really know what to do. And then these are some more string. These are where you put on your bracelet and to make sure you know that they're made by KumiKreator. This is a measure tool to make sure it fits on your hand. Let's start doing this.
And these are the patterns.
We're gonna do this one as well. So it looks like we need 4 pinks, 1 purple, and
3 dark pinks.
Yeah, 3 really dark pinks. And it looks like purple, so we're just gonna call that purple if you don't mind. We've got all the stuff out, so now we're gonna put it inside the KumiKreator. That's the best part about making the bracelet because it's really close to making the bracelet. So that's what we're gonna do.
So I'm gonna put the big part in the hole
of this side.
Then I want to take out this part. I want to take the string and plop it up at the top, up here. Then I want to take it, make sure that this thing is not down, make sure it's up. Take it, put it through the blue thing, then put it in this white bar. And then there you go.
When these red lines meet, that means that when these red lines meet, then that means that we're done our bracelet. You see, from the last time we did, there's red lines, but we're gonna try to fix that. I don't think it really matters. So we're gonna start. Yay! We're gonna close this up so it can spin because we need it to be locked for it to spin. Now we're gonna spin it. It spins the bracelets. If you want to look at it, it's up there. It's super wild. You see what I do it? And you already sold it, just tell them that you want it back. Look how it's going. The red line is almost there. We can do this! Faster! Yeah, look at the red line, almost there.
We are too close to finishing.
We're there.
We finished.
The red one matched up, and this is a beautiful bracelet. It goes so far, but we don't think we need it that far. Do you, fans?
Well, we need to now measure it up.
But we need to measure my friend's hand, so let's start.
Let's take this and see what does it. Let's not make it too tight. How's that? Is that good or is that good?
It's good.
Too tight?
No, it's good. It's not
We go
tight.
there.
Yeah.
How's that? Let's do that. Okay. Perfect. So that's the right length. Now we need the sticker.
KumiKreator sticker.
That's the best part, fans. It's the best part. the day people know it's from KumiKreator. Like, if you know the rainbow loops and all of those other placement kits, then that means that, but this is better because it comes with the stickers, so you know that it means.
We are so close to finishing.
And if they have this, then they know it's KumiKreator, not like the rainbow loop or the like the pins that you actually make bracelets or make bracelets at your house. It's just how you know that it's the big one, but the KumiKreator. Now he's gonna cut it with make sure she doesn't any of the bracelet or the Kumi sticker. Oh, you're close. You did it! I need to unclip that. We need those cut off.
We're making the bracelet. I have a bracelet too, as you can see. I think it was made from a little KumiKreator.
Me too.
An LOL size KumiKreator, even better.
Yeah, that's what I think it made too. And I have 2 bracelets, and I have 3 of them, and 2 streets of them on. So that makes 6. So I have 6 KumiKreator bracelets on. My sister is gonna put on the clasp on the bracelet.
Okay, so we're gonna do, so the sister is going to put the bracelet on the clasp.
Now he's gonna put it on. I hope him good luck because I don't know how to put those things on.
I have KumiKreator at home, so I've done it before.
Me too, but I really don't know how to put this on. So my mommy put them on for me.
That's nice. My mommy teach me.
Well, I hope this goes well.
Same. I've never even done it out of my whole life. And I'm 18.
80. I am 86.
Well, you should look like an old granny by now.
No, I don't.
That's so weird. When you're 86, you should look like you have old hair and everything. You shouldn't look like a kid.
Kidding. I'm only 6. I'm only 8.
Well, I'm 18.
And I still do the hula.
Well, never gets old.
And now it's on now it's on her.
It looks great.
Bye, Apple fans.
Now you better subscribe.
Yeah, you bet. If you don't, it's just an Apple or subscribe button.
Turn off notifications. And tell us in the comments if you've ever made a KumiKreator before.
You can use these as backpack swear wheels if you just put the arms in.